Okay, be honest with me. How many times have you seen a budget gaming mouse online and thought, this looks good for the price? And then when it arrives, it's not what you expected. Today, we're not guessing. This is the EWEADN S9 wireless gaming mouse. Just looking at the box, it already looks promising. Clean design, not too flashy, not trying too hard. Sometimes simple packaging means they focus more on the product, but we'll see. It says wireless. It says gaming. It looks like it means business, but does it actually perform like a real gaming mouse? That's what we're about to find out. Right now, we're just judging the outside. And honestly, first impression isn't bad. It feels lightweight, compact, straight to the point. But the real test isn't the box, it's what's inside. So, in the next clip, we're opening it. All right, this is the moment. Breaking the seal. Fresh product. First open. There's something satisfying about this part. No reviews matter now. No online opinions. Now it's just me and this mouse. If this disappoints, we'll know soon. Let's open it. All right, here we go. Opening it for the first time. Okay, nice. Everything looks neatly packed inside. I like when packaging is clean and organized. No messy setup. No unnecessary drama. Just straight to the product. First thing I notice, it looks secure inside. That's always a good sign. They didn't just throw it in there. Presentation matters. But remember, good packaging doesn't mean good performance. This is just the first impression. Right now, it looks promising. Simple. Clean. Professional. Now let's take everything out and see exactly what we get inside. All right, let's see everything inside. We've got the user manual here. Basic setup instructions. Simple and straightforward. Nothing complicated. Then we have the charging cable. Nice length. Standard USB cable. And here it is. The mouse still wrapped. Fresh out of the box. I always like this moment. Brand new. Untouched. Protected properly. So far, everything looks clean and organized. All right, here it is. The EWEADN S9 wireless gaming mouse. First reaction, it actually looks clean. The shape is nice, comma. It fits comfortably in the hand. Not too big, not too small. The clicks feel crisp. Side buttons are placed well, easy to reach. Now the cable, this is for charging. Simple and standard. Nothing fancy, but it gets the job done. Overall, for a budget wireless mouse, first impression is actually solid. Now, let's see how it performs in real gameplay. All right, now we're checking this mouse while playing Fortnite. Immediately, movement feels smooth. I'm not feeling any weird delay. Let me try some quick flick shots. Okay, that actually felt clean. Switching weapons with the side buttons. Yeah, that's responsive. Let's try some builds. If this mouse struggles, we'll notice right away. Okay, edits feels stable. Tracking feels controlled. It's not overshooting. It's not dragging. That's a good sign. Close fight coming up. Okay, that felt nice. So far, it's keeping up. And that's important for a wireless mouse. All right, after playing for a bit, here's the real talk. It feels comfortable. No finger strain, no awkward grip. Tracking stayed consistent. I didn't notice any random delays. Is it the best mouse ever made? No. Is it a high-end esports mouse? Also no. But for the price, it performs better than expected. For casual gaming and regular competitive play, it's solid. If you're upgrading from a basic mouse, this is a big step up. For me, I'd rate it 8 out of 10 point. It surprised me, so now I want to know, Would you use this mouse? Drop your rating in the comments and tell me what mouse you're currently using. See you in the next one.